Hello and welcome to the Global Fashion Workshop channel. I remind you that we release a new video 3 times a week. Today we've got a review of a finished shirt. The shirt was made from a patterned fabric in the style of Versace. It even has Versace printed twice and on the waistband. You can wear the waistband with either the black side or the colored side. The owner of the dress is a petite girl. You might think it's a shirt, but it's a shirt dress. I want to show you a few tips to improve your creativity, after which you can make more interesting garments. What I would like to say, the black patterned fabric was here. The black edge of this shawl was used at the placket, at the bottom, and on the back of the waistband. We added a white color to refresh the outfit. We added white to the collar, not to the stand. You see, the stand is colored. Look at those colors. You can also see that the cuff is black and the strap detail is white. You can wear it like this. The black cuff is beautiful, but with the black strap detail, it becomes more interesting.
Можно вот так носить, ничего не загибать. Ну, однако, вы видите, черный манжет – это красиво. Но когда появляется белая пата, все становится как-то интереснее, да?
What else? There are 5 different colors in the buttons, 3 buttons of each color. But it doesn't mean we made buttonholes everywhere. Buttonholes were made in front of the first and the last buttons, here in front of the first and third, and in front of the first and third here. The middle button was sewn onto this side. If we unbutton the dress, here are 2 buttons and 1 there. If we button the dress up, we will see the row of buttons. Look, it's perfect. The buttons are colorful. Here are some loops for the waistband. Here are some pockets. The whole garment was made with the inserted seam, so I'll show you everything on the table. What I want to say, we added a white collar and the dress was changed. Experiment around. Don't be afraid to mix colors, and you will make new and beautiful garments. I'm so happy to have the opportunity to show you this. Svetlana Alexandrovna cut and chose the patterned fabric. My tailors made this dress. Unfortunately, I don't know which one, because Svetlana is the dress cutter. You can transform the sleeve of this dress. The first option is with the black cuffs. The second option is with the bright buttons and the white strap detail. And the third option is to fold the cuff, and we've got a colorful shirt. No black cuffs, no strap detail, and no bright buttons. It's beautiful.
И третий вариант. Мы отгибаем манжет, и вуаля, у нас просто цветная рубашка. Не видно ни черного манжета, ни белой пуговки, ничего. Просто вот так вот. Смотрите, какая красота.
I propose that you wear this shirt buttoned with tapered trousers or unbuttoned with a top. You can wear it with the waistband or without. Let's look inside the garment. All the seams were with the inserted seam. When we started our channel, one of our first videos was about making pockets with the inserted seam. It's not easy, I can say. You just need to follow the plan. We made this video in a Russian channel. If you want to see how to make a pocket by an inserted seam, write your comments down below. The black placket is outside and inside. The black placket on the bottom is from both sides. The second placket. The cuffs are black only on the inside. The collar and strap details are white. Look how beautiful it is. We didn't use a serger to finish this garment. Do you see? Our tailors sewed this tight fabric with an inserted seam. I'm delighted because it's difficult. I think the owner of this dress will be very happy because it's so beautiful. It's been my pleasure. I think you've been inspired and gotten new ideas. If you want to make such a dress, stay with us because we've got a lot of different videos. For example, how to make a new shirt using the 10 measurement cutting system. in absolutely different ways. We have sewn 2 different fashionable shirts in our sewing club called Fashion Workshop. Also, we've got a mini course, How to Make a Collar, and we teach how to make loops or reversible pockets. We've got lots of information on our channel. I'm happy that you can choose any video and make a beautiful garment for yourself. Just imagine, you go to the store, look at a beautiful fabric, and you have an inspiration for making something new. Maybe you will wear this shirt with black trousers, maybe with colorful trousers, green, white, or blue, whatever you want. When you wear beautiful clothes, you feel happiness. It's true. I'm so happy that our tailors create such high-quality garments because we make high-standard garments. I think we can have more reviews of different and interesting garments in our channel. It's time to say goodbye. I wish for you to be unique every day. Click the like button and subscribe to our channel and share our videos on social media. Thank you for watching. All the best from Irina Paukshte and the rest of our team.